Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with you to teach you how to register on the AltCoinTrader exchange. Alright, go to the review section, and after selecting the crypto exchange option, choose AltCoinTrader from the available exchanges. On this page, you can find complete information about this exchange. Now, after entering the AltCoinTrader website, you can start your registration process on this page by clicking on the Register option. Here, you need to choose a username for yourself. The username you select can be made up of letters and numbers. It must be at least 4 characters and at most 64 characters long. In the next sections, you will enter your email, password, and password confirmation. For your password, we recommend using lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure sufficient security. After entering this information, agree to the website's terms and conditions and click on Register. Alright, your account has been successfully created and you have received an email to verify your account. You need to check your email inbox. You can see that you have received this email from AltCoinTrader. By clicking on this option, your account will be successfully activated. Finally, you can use the login option to enter your email and password here and access your account. Now, after logging into your account, you will again agree to some additional terms and conditions of the website, and now your account has been successfully created and verified. Stay with us for more tutorials about this exchange. Goodbye.